You started your business for freedom, but now you're crushing it in business and feeling crushed at home. Here's how to flip the script and turn your woman into your biggest supporter instead of your biggest stress. My fiance has generated over $1.5 million in revenue in his business just under 1.5 years, and he says he couldn't have done it without my support. Here's the shift. When you lead emotionally, she softens. When you create space for her to be fully expressed, without judgment, she gives more freely. When you speak to her potential instead of her problems, she starts showing up as your biggest believer. Just like your business team, your wife needs leadership, vision, and alignment with the mission. And that is your role. That doesn't mean carrying it all alone. It means creating a culture in your relationship where her support flows naturally because she feels safe, seen, and secure. When that happens, she encourages your vision. She pours into you without being asked to. She builds you up like the provider and warrior you are to her. She protects your peace instead of disrupting it. That's not a fantasy. A fantasy is chasing something without the work, the effort, or the consistency. You're not that man. You understand that real rewards come from real leadership. And when you apply that same energy to your relationship, it becomes your greatest asset. Your business doesn't have to grow at the cost of your connection. You don't have to choose between success and support. You just need the right tools to lead both your business and your relationship with strength and power. If you're tired of feeling like your woman is against you or not just for you as you need it, this is what I help high-performing men solve. I help married business owners strengthen their love life to elevate their business success. Book a call now. The link to book is in the description. Let's be real. Business pressure is already heavy. Okay. But when you don't feel supported at home, it's like carrying a weighted vest you didn't ask for. Most men tell me, I just wish she believed in me. She says that she supports me, but it doesn't feel like it. It's like I have to prove myself at work and at home. If that's you, listen up. Because support doesn't start with her. It starts with how you lead the relationship. Your woman isn't just going to fall into full support mode because you're working hard. She needs to feel emotionally safe, seen, valued, wanted. When she doesn't feel those things, her energy shifts. She starts nitpicking, withholding, creating distance, keeping records of wrongs. And suddenly, home doesn't feel like home anymore. It feels like another performance review you're failing. Let's build the kind of love that helps you win everywhere. Click the link in the description and book a call with me now. I'll see you there.